How to find drafts on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find drafts on Instagram and how you can save the draft in your gallery. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you've updated the app to the latest version. After you do that, head over to your profile on the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile, you will see these three sections. So you will need to head over to the middle section on the reels. After you're there, you will see the draft option. So all you have to do is tap on the drafts. After you tap on it, you will see all of your drafts that you have. So as you can see, it gives you a warning that if you uninstall the app, all of the drafts will get lost. So here, what you can do is you can open up any of the drafts. And after you do that, you can simply share it. There are different options here that you can, choose and right here. So if you head over to the more option that I just showed, and if you scroll down, there you'll see different options such as allow people to download your reels and stuff like that. So what you can do now is you can simply tap on the edit button to edit your drafts, or you can simply post it as well. So as you can see, you can share the reels, and to download the reel, after you've done this, that is, after you've allowed people to download your reels, just tap on next and share the reel. After Instagram finishes uploading the reel, you can then download the reel yourself as well. And it's that simple. And that is how you can download your, Instagram reels. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. That is how you find drafts on Instagram. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.